Hare Krishna. So yesterday we have seen Atmarati, Atmatushtah. So Krishna says that someone who is at the level of Atmarati and Atmatrupti, he doesn't have work, and he explains this in today's shloka also, the 18th verse of the 3rd chapter. Naiva tasya krite nartho na krite neha kaschana na chasya sarva bhuteshu kaschadartha vyapashrayah. A self-realized man has no purpose to fulfill in the discharge of his prescribed duties, nor has he any reason not to perform such work, nor has he any need to depend on any other living being. We see Atmatrupti, Atmarati. Why does a person work? A person works, yesterday we saw, apurnasya nijapurtarthe cheshtaha karma iti. And this karma is done by external senses. Whereas a person who is completely situated in Atmarati, Krishna will take care of him in such a way that he will really live nicely, healthy, even though he is not maintaining his body properly. We have this wonderful explanation wherein Maharaj Yayati is going, Maharaj Yadu is going, and he sees a very fat sadhu lying in the dust. And he comes, he is seen, he is not very properly dressed, his hairs are disheveled. It appears that he has not had bath in many months. Yet he is stout. He has a protruding belly. But just by the externals, he is seen to be a sadhu. Maharaj Yadu also was a very great devotee. So, he could make out, it takes one to know one, that he is also a very great sadhu. So he goes and asks, my dear sir, you don't seem to be working to maintain your body, and also you don't seem to be maintaining your hygiene, but you seem to be stout. How is it? So the sadhu replies that it is basically whatever I follow ayachaka vritti, ajagara vritti. Whenever I feel hungry, I just open my mouth, and whatever falls in my mouth, I eat. So sometimes it is just dry leaves or foliage that falls in my mouth. Sometimes there is some marriage caravan that is passing by and they feed me feast. So this is happening, and what you can see is only Lord's mercy. So we see how Krishna maintains his devotees. In this material world, when a person is working through external senses, he goes through dualities. Yes. As we have seen previously in the 2nd chapter, Dukheshu anudvigna manah, Sukheshu vigata spruha. When Dukha is there, man udvigna ho jata hai. और जब सुख आते हैं तो अनंत भोग की इच्छाएं रहती हैं. Yes. So, a person, when he actually comes to know that मन उद्विग्न हो या फिर भोग की इच्छाएं हो, ये दोनों ही impermanent है. The best of happiness is also impermanent, and the worst of calamities and tragedies are also impermanent. What is actually permanent is Atmarati. At that stage, when one starts endeavoring, then for such a man there is no work. इसीलिए हम देखते हैं आत्मरति, आत्मतृप्ति अर्थात ये वैराग्य का लक्षण है. क्यों? जब एक जीव अपने भौतिक प्रलोभनों से ऊपर उठता है, the best of the businessmen and the best of the politicians go to sadhus to seek blessings. है कि नहीं? In this material world, it is money which speaks. Yes, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. So जिनके पास भर भर के ऐश्वर्य है, वो एक साधु के पास क्यों जा रहे हैं? उनके सामने क्यों झुक रहे हैं? वो जानते हैं उनके पास एक चीज है, उस साधु के पास एक चीज है जो उनके पास जो भी है उससे बहुत ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। क्या है वो चीज? वैराग्य। एक धनी व्यक्ति भी जानता है कि वैराग्य ये किसी भी भौतिक ऐश्वर्य से अत्यंत उच्च है, इसीलिए तो वो साधु के पास जा रहा है। इस वैराग्य से ही आत्मरति और आत्मतृप्ति आती है। इसीलिए जो भी इस वैराग्य के स्तर पर आता है, eventually comes to the platform of Atmarati and Atmatripti. For such a person, then there is no work that is remaining. Yes. A Vairagi and a normal person, what is the difference? Yes. For a Vairagi, it is a tough situation because he sees everyone enjoying, but he has to really control himself. ये कैसी बात हुई? ये ऐसी बात हुई जैसे मैं दूसरे व्यक्ति को 56 भोग खाते हुए देख रहा हूं, लेकिन मैं खुद कुछ नहीं, मैं बस मुंह बंद करके बैठा हूं। क्या ऐसी परिस्थिति में व्यक्ति खुश रह सकता है? ऐसी परिस्थिति में जो खुश है वो आत्मरति और आत्मतृप्ति के स्तर पर स्थित है। ऐसा व्यक्ति पूजनीय है। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड। थैंक यू वेरी मच। प्लीज डू कीप इन टच एवरी सिंगल डे। हरे कृष्ण।
Krishna, Krishna